In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check balance on Google Pay. First, let's cover the simplest way to see your balance from a browser. Open your preferred browser and go to pay.google.com. You may be redirected to the Google Wallet site. Don't worry, that's expected. Sign in with the same Google account you use for your payments. If prompted, complete any verification steps so you're viewing the correct account. Once you're in, look for the payment methods section. Depending on your layout, it might be in the main menu or along the top. Click it to open your list of saved cards, bank accounts, and balances. Here, you're looking specifically for a section labeled Money in Google Pay or Google Pay Balance. That line shows any money held in your Google Pay balance, separate from your linked cards or bank accounts. If you see a number there, that's your available balance. If you don't see the section at all, it may mean you don't currently have a Google Pay balance feature in your region or there's no money stored there. A quick tip: the Google Pay balance is different from the limits or available funds on your saved cards. Cards and bank accounts simply authorize payments. The Google Pay balance is like a small wallet inside your account that can hold funds, so make sure you're checking the correct line. If you're in the United States, note an important change. Because of recent app updates, the Google Pay app might not show a standalone balance anymore. To view your funds or move them, use the Google Wallet website through pay.google.com from your computer or mobile browser. That site is the reliable place to see your balance and manage transfers if you have any remaining funds associated with your account. If you're in India, you'll use the Google Pay app to check your linked bank balance. Open the app, tap your profile picture in the top right, choose bank account, then select your bank and tap check balance. Enter your UPI PIN to authorize the request. The app will securely verify with your bank, and you'll see your current balance right inside the app. If the check doesn't go through, make sure the mobile number on your phone is the one registered with your bank and that you have network coverage, since the process may use an SMS to confirm. That's all there is to it. Use the website to find money in Google Pay or Google Pay balance. Follow the US note if it applies to you. And in India, use check balance with your UPI PIN. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confirm your balance with confidence.